Hey everybody, it's Sarah, and today I wanted to take a moment. Today I wanted to take a moment to talk about these. If you're a crocheter and you do plushies and amigurumi, and you've never seen one of these before, this is called an amigurumi stick, and these have made my life so much easier. And if you hate sewing, if you gravitate towards those no-sew patterns, but you see things that are sew that you just want to do, but you hate the sewing, stick around because I'm going to explain how to use these and what exactly they are. So like I said, this is an amigurumi stick, and it is just a little piece of metal. It's like a little metal rod, and this ball right here at the end comes off, right? It is really pointy. You could potentially hurt yourself, so be very careful. But it has like a little hole in there, and you just put it right in there. And it comes with two, and I will actually include the link to the Etsy shop where I bought these because I love supporting fellow small businesses, and that was the only place I could buy these. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use them. So let's get into that. Okay, so this is a cupcake, obviously, and I'm going to turn it into like a teddy bear that was stuck inside the cupcake, right? So here's the feet, here's some arms, and I haven't made the head yet, but you get the idea, right? And what if I did it like this and it was all wonky? And that's why everybody hates the sewing, because it could be ridiculous to make sure that you get it on right. So I just wanted to show you just with a part of this. I have this leg right here threaded through my needle. Let's see, find the back of my cupcake. Oh, there it is. Okay, there it is. Wow, I was way wrong. That was hard to find. Okay, right there. So I'm going to set this right here, and I'm going to take the ball off of this amigurumi stick. And since this is going to go about right there, I'm just going to stick it through there, through both of these. And look, it came out right here. Okay. And then I can stick the ball on there. And then that is now not going to move. And let's see, let's take the other one just so that I can get an idea, make sure that these are going to be even. Yep, see, bring that down a little bit. And then there you go. You know, you're even. And honestly, you could get as many of these as you want. I will probably take this one out and put it in here just to make sure that this is extra secure, because you see this can still kind of turn. And I've gotten pretty good at this now, so I don't need to keep that other one, and I can just still use this one right here. And I'm just going to go through. Let's get it out right there. Here we go. Now this is not going to move. Okay. And then you can just go ahead and make your stitches around, and there's no holding it. It just makes it so much easier. See? So I just absolutely just wanted to come on here and show you guys that these things exist, because I didn't know that they exist, and I haven't seen anybody really advertise it. So just wanted to basically kind of show that to you guys. Look at that. Boom. It's on. Look how easy that was. It just takes all the work out of the sewing, and then you can do these patterns that require a little bit of sewing without any difficulty. Look at that. It's already attached right there. I don't have to hold it. It makes it secure. It's just, this has made my life so much easier. I'm going to end up going around this leg a couple times, and I won't do the whole thing on camera. But I did just basically want to come on here and show you guys that this is awesome. And definitely go show that Etsy um, store some love where I got this from, because she makes awesome. And they came with like 10 stitch markers and stickers. So it was an awesome experience to buy that from her. But look at that. It's already halfway done. Look at that. I've already done from here to here. So if I wanted to, I could take this one out and then put the other one on just to make sure that this is already secure. It's not going nowhere. Look at that. Ugh. Oh my gosh, this is going to be the cutest little cupcake teddy bear ever. So this will probably be in one of my weekly make videos once I get the head done, and I will show you guys exactly how this looks. It's so adorable. I do the ears and the frosting with a cherry on top. It's like the cutest thing ever. Cutest thing ever. But anyways, that's basically it. I just wanted to show you guys how this works, and see, at this point I could probably even just take this one off too. And this thing's, it's good. I'm good now. And if I wanted to hook the other one up right now just to make sure that I'm on point, I'm good. Look at that. So that's basically it. Amigurumi sticks. These things are awesome. Uh, they're pretty cheap. I think I paid like $15 or something like that for a pair of two. So, I mean, it is a little pricey, but I could only ever find them on Etsy. It's like Amazon didn't know what I was talking about. So if you're a crocheter, definitely go pick some of these up, because these is like the best. These are like the best crochet hack ever. So that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.